dyan!
Mamaya makikilala niyo po sila kaya huwag kayo maalis.
And again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mommy for our Fright Night Halloween treat. Okay, next up, tawagin naman natin ang ating pangalawang Halloween character. Tawagin natin ang Gruto. Nasaan na po ang ating candidate number 2? Kumbaga parang beauty pageant na ng mga naman loob, kaya ayan na sila. Let's call on our Halloween character number 2. Nasa na si number 2. And by the way, once again, this is brought to you by Patty's Point, 93.9 IFM and Hope 45. Let me call on our character number 2. Ayan na siya. For our Halloween special right here at Patty's Point. Pwede mo ba palakpakan naman natin si number 2? Ang ating grupo. Grabe katakot. I'm so terrified. Ayan o. Next up, may we call on our number 3. Ang ating baboy, Ramon.